One of the most annoying things when trying to keep your car looking its best are dust, fingerprints, and smudges. Washing your car to remove these things is time consuming. What if there's a faster way? 3D's solution to this problem is our Final Touch Detail Spray. It restores that high gloss shine the fast and easy way. Simply spray on and wipe off. Besides using it as a spray detailer, it's a great clay lubricant and also an excellent drying aid to give your car a quick wax-like finish. Final Touch is very easy to use and effortless compared to other spray detailers. 3D Final Touch is a great product to keep in your car for taking care of emergencies as they happen, like removing fresh bug splatter before the acids can damage your car's finish. 3D Final Touch is the perfect product to keep your ride looking its best all the time. At 3D, detailing made simple is more than a slogan, it's a way of life.